Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to solve one LeetCode problem. That's name is plus one. It is a problem number 66. So let's see what is saying. It is saying that you are given a large integer represented as integer array digits, where each digit I is the ith digit of the integer. Okay. So our work is right. The large integer does not contain any leading zero. So increment the large integer by one and return the returning array of digit. Okay. So let's see. It is saying that one, two, three. Uh, it is saying that you have one, two, three. This type of array. This type of one, two, three, one and 2 and 3. Okay, you have to just the array represent the integer 1 2 3 and increment by one given like 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 and 3, and when you increment this by 1, then it become what? If you increment it by one, then it become 1 2 and 4, and you have to return it in array form like 1, then 2 and then 4. Okay. So look, how will be our approach? How will be our approach? If there is 9, like if there is a like this array like 1 1 2 and 9, 1 2 and 9, then what? Then our work have to return 1 3 0. Okay, so let's see how we do it. First, we have to return it. First, now we have to think that approach, that what will be our approach for solving this problem. Okay, look. Okay, let's see. Uh, let's see. Suppose there is one array. Okay, this is a array, and this is a one. Okay, and this is a two, and this is a three. Okay, now our work is what? I have to return, I have to do plus one in last element and return it. Like in three, if we do plus one, then it become what? If we do plus one in it, then it become four. Okay, so I have to do nothing. I have to just return same as array, just increment the last like one, then two, and then in place of 3 it become 4, just simple. So this is first case. Okay, this is one case. Now suppose if your array is like this, if array of like if your array is like this 1 2 and 9, 1 2 and 9, then what's if we add plus 1 in 9, then it become 10. Okay, and then 10 you have to in 10, then you have to replace here 0. So our work is what? Then we also return same array, but in place of 9, where 9 come, we replace it with 0. If 9 come, then we replace it with 0. And then in before the 9, yeah, like 2, we just increase the value 2 by 1. It means 2 become 3, and next it's same as same like 130. This is second case. Okay, this is second case. Now if you look third case, in third case what? That suppose you have a array and that's length is 3, and this array is fully 999 999. Now what happened? That according to we, what's the output to have to come? Our logic is what? Look here, for first see, this is our personal box. So our logic is if 9 come, then we have to replace 9 with 0. Okay, let's remember it. If 9 come, just here, if 9 come, then we replace it with 0. Or if other thing come, then we have to just do plus 1. Like 2 come, then we did plus 1, and if 9 come, then we replace with 0. 9. Now look here, here is 3 9. So according to our logic, what? If it become 0 0 0, 3 times 0. Okay, but we have to return what? We have to return 1000 na. When we add, then it become 1000. So our work is not, our work is what? Our work is to just increase the length of array. Like now we just create a 4 time, it means length of array is 4. and 3 is filled with 0, 0, 0, 0. Same is like this, and just we add 1 in a starting 1 and return it. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, now let's come in the making this in coding section. Okay, let's, oh, why I am repeating. Okay, let's come. So what we have to first traverse, so how we traverse last to first. Why? Because if last anything come, then we add 1 and return it. Okay, so for int I start from where? Int I start from digits dot length. Okay, and it is always greater than and equal to 0 and I minus minus. Okay, now look, if we if our digits of I is less than 9, then we have to do what? We have to do nothing. Like suppose in last uh, one thing I have to show you. In last, like here 3, if 3 appear, then we just increase it, 3 plus 1 4, and we have to return it. Okay, the same I am doing here, that if digits of I is less than 9, then we have to do digits of I equal to, sorry, digits of I plus 1. We have to just increase it, and if we increase it, then no need to go forward, we have to just return it. Okay, return our what? Return our digits. Okay, we return same as same, we are not making now another array, we just return same array. Okay, now why we need another array? Because I have no extra, we don't need to do extra space, so we just return array. But if suppose digits is not less than 9, if it is greater than 9, then what? Then we don't do the thing, just our approach is what? Just we just replace with 0. Okay, now if everything become, then after leaving this loop, you have two way you have. One thing happen that it return the digit, but another thing happen that in return the digits, and it become the digits 000. So our work is here what? Now I have to create another array. So I am creating in answer. Int answer equal to new int, and its length is going to what? Its length become digits dot length plus 1. Okay, its length become what? Digits dot length plus 1. You can see here like 999. So what happened that if 999 come, then we add 1, then it become what? In 999 you have to just increase the size of array, and it become what? 1, and after that 0, after that 0, and after that 0. So it's become 4 length. From the 9 it become 4 length. So here also we increase the value of 999, and we just in place of first place, like in place of 0, we just add 1, because by default in array everything is a 0. Okay, each index placed value is 0. So we just increment the first and return it, and return the answer. Now let's run it. What happened? Oh, there is a error that he is saying that if digits, if I is less than 9. Okay, digits of I is less than 9. He is saying that, what is saying? It is saying that the Java 3 out. Okay, digits of length I start from digits of length minus 1 na? I start from digits of length minus 1. You can't do digits of length, it is out of bound going. Okay, let's run it. It is accepted. Okay, now let's do submit. What happened? It is accepted. Okay, so it is very simple approach. You just need to think like that. And if you have any other approach, you can think in another way, then you just comment in comment section. Thank you for watching.